Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, we're going to be opening Neatos that we just got. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first up are Neatos, and Maverick got the Sploot Splat Neato. And I got the Funky Pup Neato in purple, and he got his in blue. So good. Okay, let's open them up. Okay, ready? It's gonna take a while. We'll be back when we're done. Oh my goodness.
God.
This is
so
amazing.
Look at
Guys, and it says Neato like on the bottom right here. Look at its tiny little feet.
Look at mine. I have these.
So good.
Can I pop them?
And does yours say Neato on the front? Oh yeah, it does.
It says Neato. Then hear that.
Oh my God, wow.
It makes a popping sound.
This is so good.
It is.
This is my first
Purple one.
purple one because I don't have a lot of purple squishies. But
I don't have. This is my second blue one.
On to the next one. Okay, and we have more Neatos, and of course they're real. And I got the Groovy Glob Neato, and mine is in pink.
And I got the Ice Cube
Swirl. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
The Ice Cube Swirl.
Yeah.
And
Mine's like green and blue.
yeah, mine's pink. So let's open them. We'll be back when we're done. Oh my goodness. This feels amazing. It kind of feels like a dumpling,
Yeah.
but like
Mine's like a purplish, a yellowish, a pink, a blue, a lot of stuff, and a green.
so it feels so good.
We're gonna move on to the next one.
Yep. Okay, I have another Neato, and he has the dumpling. I have the pink drink Neato, and I don't know if it's real or not, but it says Neato, and it looks pretty real.
It does.
And
We'll be back.
my brother got a dumpling. So let me open up mine, and then he'll show his that he got. So yeah, we'll be back. Oh my God, look at that! It looks so good. Oh my goodness, it's so good. So Maverick's gonna do his now.
I gotta close my eyes.
You got a purple!
I got a purple dumpling.
Oh my goodness,
It's very squishy.
so good.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye, besties!
Woo!